Reach all your gear in 1.1 seconds. Introducing the Top Shelf Camera Bag, the first camera bag to give you full access to all your gear in one smooth, seamless action. For decades, camera bags have struggled to balance speed with access. After 5 years of prototyping and testing, we finally created the world's first open layout bag that gives you both. Just swing, click, and have all your gear ready at your fingertips. Top Shelf features a fast access latch that opens quickly when you need it and securely locks with a simple press. Don't worry about equipment falling out. It's the same system used to secure hoods in race cars, so your gear is safe. And if you want, zip it up for extra security. The bag swings into a flat tabletop position, creating a stable platform for you to switch lenses, bodies, batteries, filters, or cards. It also makes a great workstation in the field, and an impromptu stabilizer for video shots. Customizable dividers give you endless options to organize your gear, accommodating for the largest lenses and smallest accessories. Best of all, you can quickly switch between a sling bag and a backpack without Top Shelf ever touching the ground. Enjoy speedy access when shooting and even weight distribution when traveling. If you don't have time to switch, a side access door gives you fast access to preferred gear in backpack mode. Top Shelf also features a side pocket with a hidden laptop sleeve and phone slot, 2 additional front pockets for extra gear, and a hidden tripod strap for easy carry. Speed, access, security, stability. Top Shelf is everything you need and want in a camera bag. Back our campaign now and never waste another second reaching for gear again. We are Bevis Gear. We're adventurers and photographers just like you. We made Top Shelf to solve our own needs, but it's now expanding to so much more. We're ready to start manufacturing and just need the funds to make it happen. We promise to continue to innovate and create powerful solutions for your everyday problems. Thank you for supporting us. We couldn't do this without you. Order yours now and never waste a second reaching for gear again.
Cooling hat insert is a freezing gel pad that easily fits into most headwear. It's fully designed, tested, and works great. Now you can enjoy instant cooling relief anytime, anywhere. I live in Florida and I love the outdoors, but playing sports like tennis and golf or working in the heat can really get tough on the mind and body. After personally struggling with heat-related issues, I realized I was not alone. Heat can ruin your day and cause serious health issues. I've tried many products that have promised to keep me cool, but they've never delivered, until now. The cooling hat insert is easy to use. Just freeze your insert for about an hour. Then place the insert into your hat and enjoy instant cooling relief. You can quickly recharge your inserts in a cooler. As you cool off with one insert, you always have another one fully chilled, ready to go. We also designed the cooling hat insert with a dual-sided cooling experience that you can control. Our Cool Chill side offers a soft fabric feel and gentle cooling experience. Our Extreme Chill side offers a much higher cooling intensity. Simply wash your inserts with soap and water and they'll last a long time. Think about buying some cooling hat inserts as a gift for the people you know that work and play outdoors in the heat. Also, we hope you share this campaign with friends, family, and coworkers. We are Chiller Body, and when life heats up, we cool you down.
To set up the duex Lite or the duex Plus is extremely simple. Take the 4 magnetic adhesives, place it onto the duex Lite or the duex Plus, and center it on your laptop. Press down, open your laptop lid, extend the screen, plug in the cable, and you're ready to roll. The duex Lite is meant to be a simple and straightforward product. We designed it for one thing and one thing only, to be used as a secondary monitor.
The duex Lite has 2 colors, cool white and deep gray. It has a 12.5-inch display. The weight of it is less than 600 grams. The physical dimension is smaller than the previous version.
we envision the duex Plus to be a much more serious and mature product, not only in terms of material finish, but also in its functionalities. The duex Plus, while having the same features as the duex Lite, it's more compatible with a wider range of devices, such as an Android phone. When connected to our screen, it transforms into a Chromebook. You can also connect it with a Nintendo Switch, which allows the user to game on the go as well. In terms of material, it's also more premium than our first product. The backplate now is made with brushed aluminum, which is more lightweight, but also gives it a more solid feel.
Many of us struggle with sleep, and it's never been harder to switch off and find the calm we need. Nightbuds by Cocoon are tiny smart earbuds that make sleep easier and more enjoyable. Working with an app, they use biodata to automatically adjust your audio as you fall asleep and provide personalized coaching to help you improve your sleep over time. Simply slip in these tiny buds and escape into your cocoon.
The beauty of Cocoon is it's continuously monitoring your sleep, so if you slip into bad habits, it will gently nudge you back in the right direction to improve your sleep.
Developed by our sleep scientists, you'll have access to a growing ecosystem of adaptive, data-driven coaching to help you become a great sleeper.
These are amazing. I love them. They're so comfortable. I can sleep on the side. The design, the comfort, 10 out of 10.
Sometimes you wake up in the night, start thinking about things, droning voice, I'm asleep again in minutes. It works really, really well.
It will really make a positive impact in your life.
Discover incredible immersive 4D soundscapes crafted to help you disconnect. Relax to your favorite audiobook or podcast, letting sleep sensors detect as you fall asleep, bookmarking your place and then gently fading out your audio. Sleep in peace as Nightbuds automatically mask disturbances to protect your sleep. Awake refreshed with insights and tips on how to maximize your day based on your sleep. For the last 7 years, we've been working on headphone comfort in bed. Our tiny, slim recess earbuds are incredibly slim, the softest you'll find. Sitting deep in the ear, you'll forget you've got them on even when side sleeping or rolling about. Tiny sensors monitor your biometrics, enabling your audio to automatically adapt to you and your sleep. Within the app, you'll have access to your very own sleep coach. You'll be able to understand how you're sleeping and, if needed, benefit from tailored nudges and coaching bespoke to you and your sleep.
Hi, I'm Fernando, founder of Bluevy. But what is Bluevy? Well, Bluevy is a shower gadget that helps you shave in a hot shower without the stress of wiping your mirror 300 times. Unlike mirrors, the heat inside the display prevents Bluevy from getting foggy. There's a lot Bluevy can offer, like a variety of this toolbox, a Swiss Army knife, or this one-man band. Bluevy have awesome Bluetooth speakers, UVC lights that keeps your bathroom sanitized, free from shower black mold, and other bacteria, and of course privacy. Very important these days. You can also download any of your favorite apps.